Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to go onto the Houseparty app without notifying all your friends. So this is going to be for basically like to sneak into the house is basically what the name for this is, this kind of thing within Houseparty. So basically this is going to work the same for whether you're on iPhone or Android. It's going to be like the same process throughout. You're going to have to like maybe do different things on either device. So basically what you're going to want to do, instead of opening the app like as you would here, just by clicking on it and then it will like appear up like this, you're not going to want to open the app like that. What you're going to want to do, this example here, instead of opening it like that, you're going to want to hold the Houseparty app down like this, and that's going to bring up this menu here. So there's going to be the same type of thing for Android. You're going to bring up this menu here for holding down the app, and then you're going to want to click sneak into the house. So once you do that, that means it is to say at the top there, you snuck into the house, friends didn't get a notification. So that is how you do it. They won't get the notification. Usually every time you go on to the Houseparty app, everyone will be notified. But if you do this, it won't happen. It's kind of like the appear offline type of thing on Houseparty, the kind of only way you can do it. So if that did help you out, leave a like on the video, subscribe for more videos like this, click on the screen to see more how-to videos on the Houseparty app and more videos like this. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.